you ready for some fun at the Y? Are you excited? We haven't been here in a long time. I love you. Whoa. So the gym was all like gymmy and fun, you know, like all sorts of gym stuff at the gym. Here you go, buddy. So now I'm going to Lowe's because I am moving my filming area. So I used to have a filming area at my dad's print shop, and then he ended up like, I had to move. I had to get out. So then I turned the dining room in our house into an office, which is fine, but it doesn't really work for filming because when people are coming in and out of the house, I get really, really frustrated. So taking matters into my own hands, and I am moving my filming area down to the basement. So I got 6 canvases, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if they can make my brand colors in Lowe's. So I'm gonna have to like see if they can make print, or if they can make paint colors out of a hex code, because I have like my hex code on my phone for what I use for my brand colors. But anyways, long story short, so we're gonna go into Lowe's, we're gonna get some paint, we're gonna get some basement paint, we're gonna get some canvas paint, and I'm gonna get all like painty and stuff. Going to Lowe's. Hi.
I'm going to...
We definitely don't need any of these. So here's my plan. This is super bright, sorry. I'm gonna paint this wall and this wall white. So yes, the brick wall is already white, but I need to refresh it because it's old, but it's a cool texture. And then obviously like wood panel. Blech. So essentially the walls are gonna be white, and then I will decorate around the walls. I may get like a little shelf thing here. I have a decoration that I'm not gonna spoil any of what I'm gonna be putting up. But I'm gonna decorate, and it's gonna look cute. So if you guys have seen like my old videos where I was at the shop with the bed in the background and the cabinets and stuff like that, and I had that a little bit decorated, I'm gonna do something similar here. I'm not gonna have the bed, but I'm gonna try to make it work because I need to change it up. Summer camp and give you an update on the filming space. So basically, when I went to Lowe's, the painter worker guy said that for concrete walls, so we have brick walls in the basement where I'm transforming, he said that primer, that concrete primer would be fine. I get home and this stuff looks like milk. I put it on the walls and it just looks glossy. So I start going through just like random paint that we already have in the house that's been sitting there for a long time, and I find this like door trim, window, whatever paint, and I just start using it. Tim wasn't thrilled that I was using it because it's not made for brick walls, but YOLO, the paint was just sitting there, so I decided to use it, and I think it looks really, really good. The only thing that, I mean, I have to do a second coat today, which I just have not. I've been on calls all morning. I've been doing some extra work on the side, and then I was able actually to go have lunch with Timmy and Kaya. I mean, Timmy's too cool and he won't sit with me, but Kaya came and sat with me in the cafeteria at the school lunch program, and my dad was there because he drives the school bus, and the kids were on his, well, there's 2 school buses, and he didn't have the kids on their bus, so Kaya was mad, and he was like, figure out why Kaya's mad. Well, Kaya was mad because she wasn't on his bus. But anyways, so that is the update. I will start probably decorating the walls tomorrow, which is supposed to be a filming day. I might just like do some content creation, like some reels for Instagram and some blogs, but I don't know, throw it out there. Maybe I'll actually do it. I'm really, really bad at creating other content other than YouTube, because honestly, like, this is what I have fun with, so this is what I do. So
did you know that my mom is awesome?
As with anything in owning a business, my plans today have changed. I got all ready to have a filming day, which is fine. I'm still gonna try and film a little bit, but Timmy and Kaya both have fevers. So 2 out of 3 of my kids have fevers. Problem number 1. Problem number 2 is that when people are buying my courses, I have to go in and manually give them access. So I'm finding out that with PayPal, it's just gonna be that way. So I'm switching right now. I am switching all of my payment methods from PayPal to Stripe. So I guess I kind of am now realizing why people say don't use PayPal. I guess you learn the hard way. So I have to go and just like completely overhaul my payment option system, and yeah, so that's what I am going to be up to for the next little bit here, and hopefully I'm gonna get to film. The kids are like really calm and just like laying low today, watching movies and just kind of playing with their toys. They're really bummed because every Wednesday is supposed to be swimming at Tim's aunt and uncle's house, so the kids' great aunt and great uncle, and we can't go today because of fevers. So that's that, and hopefully Joshua doesn't get sick. Hopefully Tim and I don't get sick, but I mean, when you live in a house of 5 people, if 2 are sick, chances are then like the other 3 are gonna get sick. So I'll just be here. Hopefully I will be able to finish decorating the filming area. Everything is painted. But once I can decorate, I can start filming down there, and I am super excited, but we'll see how the rest of the day goes. I did not end up filming at all today. I ended up being in mommy mode most of the day for my little sick babies, and switching my PayPal over to what I use, Stripe, and testing that, making sure it works. You would not think that this little girl doesn't feel good, but how's your throat?
Good.
Is it though? Is it?
Kind of.
Is it?
Kind of.
So, I did not get to do any more of my filming area. I will be doing that this weekend. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next vlog. Thank you for coming and watching this one.
Comment down below.
Say keep blooming.
Keep blooming.
Mwah.